Good morning students. Today we are entering into new topic which is metric measures. So here what you will see is measurement of length, capacity and weight. First topic is measurement of length. So let's see this one, measurement of length. So here you will come across meter, centimeter and kilometers. So here the relation for meter and centimeter and kilometer and meter it is given. So first one is 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter and 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter is given. So first of all we shall see something and then we can enter into exercise problem 10.1. So about the relation of meter, okay, meter and centimeter. So first of all 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. If it is 200 centimeter, then what will be the meter? It's 2 meter. If suppose 500 centimeter means it is 5 meter. So now if suppose 535 centimeter, if it is like this means how will you write the answer? How you can write as meter? So now how you have to write is 500 plus 35. You have to split. You have to expand that number from the standard form. So 500 centimeter plus 35 centimeter. It is in centimeter only, that is what we are splitting out. 500 centimeter plus 35 centimeter. So now what is 500 centimeter in meter? 5 meters. So write that as 5 meter and this is 35 centimeter as the same what is there in the above. We no need to split that also. Here this alone we can split. We know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 5 meter is equal to 500 centimeter. That is what we have written here. 5 meter plus 35 centimeter. So now you have to take out this plus addition symbol and you have to write as 5 meter 35 centimeter. As we have written 500 centimeter is equal to 5 meter and 200 centimeter is equal to 2 meter. For 535 centimeter we have to write like this, 5 meter 35 centimeter. If we have to write in meter also means like this only you have to write. So now we can move on to the exercise problem and we can see so many problems here. Both problems also will be here. So exercise 10.1 first problem is tick the correct unit of measurement. So here they didn't ask for the answer, they didn't give any others, just you are going to choose the unit, correct unit you have to choose. So see to the first one, height of Qutub Minar which is in New Delhi, okay. So which is so height, which will be so height. One thing, main thing is, in the previous year itself you have learned this one, length, weight, capacity, everything you have learned in the previous year. So here meter means which is for the longest measurement, centimeter means for the shortest measurement. So here it is the longest measurement, no. So for the longest measurement you have to choose meter. Meter only will be the longest measurement. For the shorter you will choose centimeter. For pencil, for eraser and all you will use a centimeter scale. So here we have to choose 72 meter which is the right answer. And here height of a mango tree. So you are going to do this as your homework. And next one, length of a saree. You have to choose which is meter or here for 5 meter is given 50 meter or 50 centimeter. Mango tree, how long it will be, so you have to choose which one is right. And next one, length of a saree. I am wearing a saree, whether it is shorter in length or longer in length. So definitely it's a longer in length, so it must be in meter. So you have to choose 6 meter. Here centimeter is given, kilometer is given. So here 6 meter is the answer, right answer. And the next one you are going to do as your homework, length of your handkerchief. So in the school days you will bring your handkerchief to the school and while you are going outside also you will take your handkerchief, no? So you definitely know how much the length will be. So you have to choose centimeter or meter or kilometer here. And the word problem is given for you. You are going to solve that problem. A car travelled 145 km on Monday and 154 km on Tuesday. How much more distance did the car travel on Tuesday? So here on Monday distance and Tuesday's distance are given and the question is how much more distance they have travelled on Tuesday than Monday they have asked. So here Monday 145, Tuesday 154 km. So here we are going to find how many more distance, more than that. Monday we have to find that one. To find that what we have to do, just need to subtract those two numbers. Then you will find the answer for how much more distance did the they traveled on Tuesday, like that we can find that. So first write that number 154 and then subtract that number 145. First give the places ones, tens and hundreds, and easily you can find the answer. So here which is less number, so you have to borrow that number from the tens place, that is 4, and you will get as 14. 14 minus 5 is 9, and here 0, 0. First now you should not start any number with 0, so you can finish like this. So answer is 9 kilometer. So how will you write the Mondays? On Monday 154 kilometer, 145 kilometer. On Tuesday 154 kilometer. So you have to subtract like that. 154 kilometer minus 145 kilometer. This is on Tuesday and this is on Monday. While you are subtracting from the greatest number only, you can find the answer. So which is in kilometer, 9 kilometer. So on Tuesday the car travelled about 9 kilometer than on Monday. Now see to the third problem. The length of a pencil is 8 centimeter. On sharpening, its length decreases by 4 centimeter. How long is the pencil now? So what is given here is there is a pencil of length 8 centimeter. And while you are sharpening that pencil, it becomes to how much it decreases means 4 centimeter. How much the pencil is now? That is what they have asked. How long is the pencil now? They have asked. So to find how much it is reduced, to that the total, the number is given, no, the how much long, with that number here you have to subtract the number which how much it has decreased. So you can find easily how much long the pencil is now. So you have to subtract the number 4 to this number. So 8 centimeter minus 4 centimeter. So you can easily find the answer. So how much long the pencil is now, like that you can find. So which will be in centimeter minus centimeter means it definitely it will be, the unit will be in centimeter. So the next one, fill in the blanks. So here few problems are given for you. So some questions I will answer and the remaining you are going to answer to this. So first see 2 meter. So you all know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. As the same here 2 meter is given. So answer is 200 centimeter. And here 900 centimeter, you are going to do this as your homework problem. Then 15 meter, this is also easy only. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter means for 15 meter, how much centimeter it will be? 1500 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 means, 100 centimeter means for 15 meter it is 1500 centimeter, last 2 zeros, and for 1 it is 15, no? So 1500 centimeter. And for 15 meter 2 centimeter, how will you write that in centimeter? First you have to take this in centimeter. 15 meter means, what is 15 meter? Already we have found as 1500 centimeter, no? So 15 meter, how will you write that? 15 meter as 1500 centimeter. And here 2 centimeter is given. So plus 2 centimeter. What will be the answer? 1500 2 centimeter. It is only one's place is given. So you have to write in the one's place only. So the answer is 1500 2 centimeter. And this one you are going to do as your homework. Meter, you have to find the meter. With this relation you are going to find this one. And the next one also easy only, you are going to do this as your homework. And then how will you find this 1800 centimeter? You have to write that as 18. As the same only, 15 no? Here 18 you will write. So simple only here. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter means 18 meter is equal to 1800, no? So next one, the same thing only, the same procedure only. Here you are going to do, you are going to find in meter and centimeter. Here it is given as meter and centimeter, you have found this, no? Here you are going to find meter and centimeter. You are going to split that and you are going to write. So how will you split 700 centimeter plus 20 centimeter, which is 720 centimeter. So you will write the 700 centimeter as in meter and you can write that 20 centimeter here. So you are going to find this one as your answer, and this also you are going to do. And the next problem, the height of the giraffe is 5 meter 50 centimeter. Calculate its height in centimeters. Here it is given in meter and in centimeter. You are going to find the height of the giraffe in centimeters. Here 2 units are given. You are going to find for the 1 unit alone. So how will you write that? 500 meter and 50 centimeter. No? How will you write that? 5 meter plus 50 centimeter. How will you write the 5 meter which is in centimeter? 500 centimeter plus 50 centimeter. And at last 500 centimeter plus 50 centimeter is 550 centimeter. Just adding those two numbers, 500 plus 50 is 550 centimeter. So in centimeters we have found the height of giraffe. The giraffe's height in centimeter is 550 centimeter. So this is the answer. And see to the next one. In a race, Tinku runs 30 meter. His teammate Jesse runs 5 meter less than Tinku. Tinku's other teammate Erica runs 2 meter 20 centimeter more than him. Write the total distance covered by Tinku and his friends in centimeters. So here Tinku runs 30 meter and his teammate, how much Jesse runs? 5 meter less than Tinku. This is 30 meter. So to 30 meter, if we less the meter, 5 meter means what will be the meter of Jesse? 25 meter will Jesse run that. And next, Tinku's other teammate Erica runs 2 meter 20 centimeter more than him. What does mean more than? More than means you have to add. Less than means you have to subtract. So here more than is given. So you have to add the number with that 30. So 30 meter plus 2 meter 20 centimeter. So you will get for Erica how much he runs. And write the total distance covered by Tinku and his friends in centimeters. In centimeters we have to write the answer. So first 30 meter. Tinku is 30 meter. He runs 30 meter. And Jesse, less than it is given, no? So you have to subtract minus 5 meter. And now you have to write the answer as 25 meter. 5 meters only less than. So you have to subtract 5 meter from 30 meter. And next Erica. Erica runs 2 meter 20 centimeter more than him. More than him is, he runs more than means you have to see to that 30 meter. So 30 meter plus, more than means plus. So 2 meter 20 centimeter. So here you have to give the plus sign here now. So 30 meter plus 2 meter plus 20 centimeter. So now how will you write? 30 meter plus 2 meter plus 20 centimeter. So you can write in centimeter or in meter. So now calculate these two, 2 meter and 30 meter and 2 meter. No. So you can write that as 32 meter plus 20 centimeter. So now we have to find the answer as in centimeter. The unit in centimeters you have to give. So you have to total all that. Write the total distance covered by Tinku and his friends in centimeters. So everyone's number that they run, no? So that meters we have to calculate everything. So 30 meter plus 25 meter and this one plus 32 meter plus 20 centimeter. So here what we have to do is we have to convert into centimeters. So 30 meter is in centimeter 3000 centimeter and 25 meter is 2500 centimeter and then 32 meter as 3200 centimeter and at last 20 centimeter. So now we have to add all the numbers. So first ones place 0, here 0, 0, 0. So the answer last number will be 0. We have to write in centimeter. And next check to the tens place 2. And here 0, 0, 0. So here in the tens place it will be 2. And now in the hundreds place, here there is no hundreds place. And here in the hundreds place it is 2. And here in the hundreds place it is 5. So 2 plus 5 is 7. And here in the hundreds place no hundreds place. Here in the hundreds place it is 0 is given. So already we have added 5 plus 2 is 7. So write that 7 here. And now we have to check to the thousands place. Here no thousands place. Here 3 is in thousands place. And here 2 is in thousands place. So 3 plus 2 is 5. So 5 plus here in the thousands place it is 3. So 5 plus 3 is 8. So the answer is 8720 centimeter. We have converted into centimeters. Tinku and his friends, they have covered the distance of 8720 centimeter. Now see to the seventh problem. Rahul buys 2 meter of cloth. The cost of 1 meter of cloth is rupees 120. How much does Rahul pay for the cloth? This is the first question. And the second question is, how much does he have to pay if he buys 20 meter of cloth? So first question is how much he pays for that cloth, like that they have asked. So in the question 2 meter he buys, like that it is given. So if he buys 2 meter, what will be the cost? That is the first question. So for 1 meter, how much the cost is, it is given for that cloth is rupees 120. So what we have to do, how much he has paid, like that, how we can find? To multiply those two numbers, we can find the answer easily. So rupees 120 is for 1 meter cloth. So here for 2 meter it is given. 2 meter, for 2 meter cloth, how much the rate, whether we are going to find. It is so easy to find this, just multiplying those two numbers. Here 0 is there, no? So in the last place write as 0. And then here 12 into 2. You know the multiplication of table for 12 into 2, no? Which is 24. It is easy to find. 240 rupees. So he need to pay 240 rupees for 2 meter cloth. So you have to mention rupees sign. Rupees 240. So this is the right answer. You have to give rupees sign here. Rupees 240 he will pay for 2 meter cloth. For first question we have found the answer as 240. For the second question, how much does he have to pay if he buys 20 meter of cloth? So here for 2 meter cloth he is paying 240. For 1 meter cloth rupees 120 is given. For 20 meter cloth how much he needs to pay? So to find that we have to multiply these two numbers as we have done here. So here rupees 120 for 1 meter cloth, and for 20 meter cloth how much the rate he needs to pay? Here 2 zeros are there, no? Just write 2 zeros in the last two places. Here 1 0 is there, here 1 0 is there, so I am writing 2 zeros. And here 12 into 2, already we know, no? 12th table or the second table you all know. 12 into 2 is 24. So he needs to pay 2400 rupees for 20 meter cloth. So this is the answer for these two questions. So 240 for 2 meter cloth and 20 meter cloth, and for 20 meter cloth 2400 he will pay. And see to the next question, 8th question. A one-day cricket series between India and England will be played in 5 different cities. In 5 different cities they are going to play between India and England. Cricket series, one-day cricket series. So where and all places is given 5 different cities: Delhi, Mumbai, Ranchi, Chennai and Hyderabad. That is given. Totally 5 cities they have mentioned. So here the distance are given in the map, Indian map. And first question, see, with that only we are going to find. So how much distance will the teams travel if they start from Mumbai, travel to Delhi and finally go to Chennai? So in the map there is a distance for every cities to cities. So for Mumbai to first, where they have started from Mumbai to Delhi, how much distance will the team travel? That is what you are going to find. They start from Mumbai, travel to Delhi. So the distance from Mumbai to Delhi is 1400 kilometer. So you have to find this kilometer only in the map. It is not given separately. You have to see to the map and you have to find the answer. That kilometer, how much kilometer between the two cities you are going to find. And 1400 kilometer from Mumbai to Delhi. They start from Mumbai to Delhi. They travel to Delhi and finally go to Chennai. From Delhi they travel to Chennai. So that is 2134 kilometer. In the map itself it is marked that how much distance like that. So to find the distance, how much distance they travel means here we have to add those two numbers. So you have to add 1400 plus 2134. First write the places up to thousands you will write for adding the numbers. So the same thing only you are going to write the numbers below the places. And 4, 3, 1 and 2. So now add these two numbers. In the ones place 0 plus 4 is 4, 0 plus 3 is 3, 4 plus 1 is 5 and 2 plus 1 is 3. So the answer is 3534 kilometers. You have to write us in kilometers. You have to mention that and you have to give the commas in between that. Kilometer. They travel 3534 kilometer. First they start from Mumbai and they travel to Delhi and at last finally they go to Chennai. And see to the next problem. After the match in Chennai, the teams will travel to Hyderabad and then to Ranchi. How much distance will they cover? Chennai to Hyderabad is 632 kilometer. From Chennai to Hyderabad they are going, that is 632 kilometer, and then they went to Ranchi. So Hyderabad to Ranchi. First to Chennai to Hyderabad and then from Hyderabad to Ranchi they met. So which is from Hyderabad to Ranchi the kilometer is 1340 kilometer. This distance you will find in the map. Okay. So now how much distance will they cover? Here also the same thing, how much they will cover like that. From Chennai to Ranchi they came, from Chennai to Hyderabad and Hyderabad to Ranchi. So this distance, how will you find? You have to add those numbers. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. 632 and 1340. So now add those two numbers. In the ones place, 2 plus 0 is 2, 3 plus 4 is 7 and 6 plus 3 is 9 and 1. So the answer is 1972. So you have to write in kilometers and you have to give the commas also. They have covered 1972 kilometers. As the same only in the ninth problem. In the ninth problem, read the questions and you are going to answer for that. So thank you students.